Welcome back. Infusion therapy can provide life-saving treatment to patients with a host of conditions, but it requires regular visits, being poked with a needle, and of course, time. But there is an option that does not require a trip to the hospital. Jen Ergang is with the Infusion Center. Just opened a new location in Portage to add to the many other locations around West Michigan. But Jen, first of all, talk about what you do. What do you guys do at the Infusion Center?
Sure. So at Infusion Associates, we provide medically necessary IV therapy or injections for patients of all different disease types.
Okay. And so describe kind of the atmosphere. You're talking about it's really trending away from people going to the hospital for these. And what's it like inside your offices?
Yep. So we're standalone clinics. We have big infusion rooms where we have multiple chairs, and then we do have some private rooms for patients who would like more of a private space for that infusion therapy, more of a homey space with warm blankets, hot coffee, cocoa, and just all around more of a homey feel.
Yeah, doing all you can to make these patients feel comfortable while they're there. Yeah,
absolutely.
And so tell us about some of the things that are treated with infusion.
Yeah, so we do a multitude of disorders. We do a lot of GI disorders, Crohn's and colitis. We do autoimmune therapies, so like MS. We also treat patients who are nauseated, maybe from pregnancy, or bariatric surgery patients.
Okay. But some of these people, these are regular visits. They're there for an extended period of time. And you are now a place for them to go. You're part of their community. Explain that relationship with you and the patients.
Yeah, so we have a regular staff of nurses on that are on a rotational schedule. So we do have patients who come every couple of weeks. They get to know those patients. Sometimes we're seeing each other out in those communities, and that's a really important piece for us to just make them know, hey, we're a part of your community and we're here to be a part of your family.
Yeah. And explain to us a little bit about this trend of pushing these patients out of hospitals and into a setting like yours, and the benefits of that for the patients too.
Yeah, so the insurance companies are finding that the cost is more effective for them to have patients treated in an outpatient setting. So for the patient's perspective, it's great for them. They don't have to go downtown. They don't have to park in a parking ramp. There's parking spaces available right close to the building for them. And it's just all around better for that patient.
Absolutely. More convenient. I mean, obviously, hospitals are huge and full of sick people, and, keeping them out of that atmosphere is such a benefit. And tell us about your new location.
Yeah, so our new location is in Portage. We're right on Center Ave. It's right off the highway there. It provides patients to be able to come from all different directions there. We have 17 chairs in that location. Beautiful window setting, so you can look out and see, right now the trees changing. So it's very beautiful.
Yeah, wonderful. And so if patients want to learn more about what you do, all of the conditions that you treat, what do they need to do?
Yeah, so if they just go to check out our website at infusionassociates.com, they will see a whole plethora of information. It'll talk about the infusions that we do provide. It has some blog posts out there. It gives links to our social media so they can keep up with what we have going on.
Okay, and is this a referral process? Do they have to be referred by a doctor then and specifically to you?
Yes, so they do need a referral from their provider, but there is a chat feature on our website where they would be able to just chat with our team. Our team would then help them to get connected with their provider.
Wonderful. And you guys are just growing in leaps and bounds all around, just becoming really a part of all of these communities across West Michigan and beyond.
Absolutely, absolutely. Our goal is to be throughout the Midwest. We just opened a location in Ohio. And so it's just, we want to bring this care to patients in their communities and let them know that they have a choice where they get their medical care.
Wonderful. Jen, thank you so much for your time and for being with us today.
Thank you so much.
People want more information? There you go, infusionassociates.com. The phone number there, 833-394-0600. There's some of the locations there, but of course the website has all of the information that you need.